Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is Sathai MC. So here are some funny riddles. Let's read it and find out the word. We know where did we stop last session? Yeah, Nightingale and Ivan were talking each other and there was the entry of who? Yes, the cruel merchant. Now let's continue the story. A strange prediction. Do you see the picture here? Yes, Ivan was standing at the door. And who is here? Yes, the cruel merchant. Who were you talking to? The merchant asked. I was talking to a nightingale, Ivan replied. Talking to a nightingale? How can you do that? I have learned the language of birds. The merchant stared at Ivan in disbelief. He couldn't believe that, our Ivan was talking to a bird or listening to a bird. He was asking, what were you talking about? Asked the merchant after a moment. Ivan was worried. He spoke in a broken voice. The nightingale said that I would become a king and you would become my servant. What was the prediction? What is the meaning of the prediction? Telling beforehand. Okay, so Nightingale said something was going to happen. What was that? Ivan would become a king and the cruel merchant become servant of Ivan. What will happen in the mind of the merchant? Can you guess? Yes, we know he will get angry because he never wanted to be the servant of a boy like, Ivan. Now what is happening? Let's read. Into the deep sea. Do you see the picture here? A boat, yes. Who is there inside the boat? Ivan. And why he is lying down? Yes, he is sleeping. And who is pushing the boat? Yes, of course, the cruel merchant. Let's read. The merchant was worried and remained sleepless for weeks. He couldn't sleep because he never wanted to be a servant of the servant boy. Just imagine what will be the condition of the cruel merchant. One night, the merchant gave Ivan a drink. Drink means something to drink. To make him drowsy. Drowsy means sleepy. That is why Ivan is sleeping in this picture, in the boat. When Ivan had fallen asleep, the merchant laid him on a boat. That we can see in this picture. Poor Ivan, see? He spread the white sails, the cloth there, you know that, to control the boat. Okay. He spread the white sails and pushed the boat into the open sea. Just imagine, poor boy, what will happen to him? Will he die or will he get somebody to save him? Now just imagine if Ivan wake up. What will be there in his mind? Just look at this. Just read the thoughts of Ivan. Okay, children. We'll meet you in the next session. Till then, bye bye.